Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you. We're creating an interactive e-learning package including video, audio and 3D interaction with a quiz at the end. For information about the software we're using and to view the finished product, please see the website. We've already opened Storyline. Your recent projects are shown here on the left of the welcome window. Let's start by naming our untitled scene. It's good practice to name your scenes and slides properly as you go along. Intro to immersive tech. Double-click on the slide frame to open this slide. You'll notice this screen looks similar to PowerPoint and other presentation tools, but with an additional panel on the right where we'll be able to set up our interactions. These are called triggers in Storyline. If you're working on a small screen, notice you can move and shrink these panels as needed so you can see your slides properly. You can zoom into your slide at the bottom right of the window here, or just hold down your Control or Command key while rolling your mouse wheel. Let's start by adding a text title to this blank slide. Go to Insert, Text Box, and click roughly where you'd like the text title to start. I'm going to type Introduction to Immersive Technologies. The default text is too small and boring for most purposes. Make sure the Home menu is selected, triple click on the text to select it all, and you can now change the font size and colour here. We can pick up and move the text as needed. Next, let's bring in a nice image that shouts Immersive Technology. Click the Insert menu. There are characters with various poses. We're going to use one of these in a later explainer in this series. There are also photos we can search, illustrations, icons, and video clips. Feel free to explore. One thing to note is if you're using the free demo version of Storyline, you're only given access to a limited set of these assets. If your search results look rather different, just select an image of your choice. In this case, I'm going to search the illustrations category for VR, as in virtual reality. I like this image of a female in a VR headset. Just double click on it to import it. I can resize it like this and flip it. And I'm going to put her about here for now. I'll now move the text title again. We need to leave some space at the bottom right of the slide as we're going to put a button here which our users can click on when they're ready to start the module. Make sure you've saved your updated project. Go to File and click on Save As. I'm going to change the version number to version 2 and click on Save. In the next explainer, we'll create an interactive button which our students can click on to start the module.
Pixels.cool.